Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about flame tests for the following metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, and copper. Alright, let's start with lithium. When lithium is introduced to a flame, it produces a crimson red color. This characteristic red flame is a key indicator of lithium presence. Now, let's move on to sodium. When sodium is exposed to a flame, it gives off a bright yellow color. This intense yellow flame is a distinctive sign of sodium. Alright, now let's move on to the potassium flame test. When potassium is introduced to a flame, it produces a distinctive lilac or light purple color. This unique hue is due to the excitation of electrons within the potassium atoms. As these electrons return to their ground state, they emit energy in the form of light, which we perceive as that characteristic lilac shade. Next up, we have the calcium flame test. When calcium is burned, it gives off an orange-red flame. This color is a result of the specific wavelengths of light emitted by the excited calcium atoms. As the electrons in the calcium atoms drop back down to their lower energy levels, they release energy in the form of visible light, creating that orange-red glow. Now, let's examine the copper flame test. When copper is introduced to a flame, it produces a bright green color. This vibrant green is caused by the emission of light from the excited copper atoms. As the electrons return to their normal state, they release energy that we see as the striking green hue. In conclusion, flame tests are a simple yet powerful way to identify the presence of certain metal ions based on the color of the flame they produce. Potassium shows a lilac flame, calcium an orange-red flame, and copper a bright green flame. Each metal has its own unique emission spectrum, making flame tests a valuable tool in both chemistry and forensic science. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey through the world of flame tests.